played studios for a lot of bands, and I am a Yamaha artist from last 6 years almost. Yeah, I'm a demonstrator and technical expert, and taking care of Eastern India. And I sing for a band called Noisha, and I'm learning Indian classical. I'm singing from maybe 10 years with keyboards, with piano, but for myself, it is a self-taught thing. But I've learned Indian classical. I'm learning Indian classical still from last 3 years, and I'm learning Khyal. I'm doing a Visharat. Um, in my small knowledge, what I've gained in these years, Indian classical is a different thing. If we talk about the Indian classical and Western classical music first, then comes vocal. In like she say, the instruments. Can you some instruments Indian classical? One instrument Indian classical, one instrument Western classical. You say? Okay.
Sitar and drum.
Very good. Shomo?
Sarod and piano.
Okay. You?
Veena and ukulele.
Okay. You? Okay. You? Okay.
The best combination I think is guitar and saxophone. That's an awesome combination.
It's okay. The combination that's fused. That's a different part. The basic idea of telling these two things is the first one is maybe a guitar, piano, other instruments. Can you feel that we can play chords? What is chords? Any keyboard player? Anybody?
Chords are
Those
is
are the three keys that we generally play.
Three keys. Okay, it's cool. Okay, that's a triad, and I'm not going to the ignoring the technical part. So basically, one chord is I'm playing one note in respect of another note. So it's getting harmonized. From one note, the second note is harmonized. When we are playing the three notes, then it's again harmonized. Four notes, it's more harmonized. Five notes, it's gone to jazz. It's creating a tangent of the most normal musicians.
right.
Then some bigger parts are there, maybe. So basically, we can harmony. It's harmony. But the instruments you have said in Indian classical music, can you feel ever you play a Sorod player is playing a chord? They are not playing. A sitar player is playing a chord? Not playing. Why? The basic difference in Western and Eastern music is Western music is totally harmonical, and Eastern music is totally melodic. Why harmonical? Harmonical means if I go in the more inside inside the Western music, we can feel there are the harmonic scales like the harmonic minor, melodic minor. In a melodic scale, basically, let me tell you, melodic scale there is an ascending and descending. You go in such way, you come back in a different way. But in a harmonical scale, you go in same way and come back in same way, mainly. But the harmonical scale is present there. Somebody is playing a C note in respect with a C major chord. Maybe in other chords, it's playing back. But when it's come to the Indian classical, a sitar player is playing with a tanpura. Tanpura is only, for your knowledge only, it's pa, sa, sa, sa. One pa, sa, ga, pa, no. It's different, then your tanpura is different. For me, it's pa and three sas. For me. And for the ma, yes. It's not a chord, it's a round. Actually, we don't tune like this. Maybe in a different gharanas there.